First of all, thanks for being part of this video. We are back again with our daily score boosters. This is daily score boosters of reasoning. Let's start with the questions. Here we are going to see inequalities. Let's get started. First question. The flow from M to E. See the flow from M to E. From M we can flow up to K. From K we can flow up to E. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Next, second conclusion. The flow from Y to T. From Y there is no flow. So second conclusion is false. Next, second question. The flow from M to I. From M we can see a flow up to S. From S we can reach to I. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from R to A. From R we can flow up to S. From S we can flow up to A. It is possible. So second conclusion is also true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Next we are going to see question number 3. Here the flow from P to U. From P there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. From U, the flow from U to P with everywhere equals to. But here there is no equal to, we see near to P. There is flow to P, but there is no equal to here. So this case also fails. So both case fails. In this two conclusions, we see there are only two alphabets P and U, and the relation between them is here P is greater. In this case, P is lesser than or equals to. So in between P and U, the relation between them is greater, lesser and equal to. So all the three relations came here. So the answer will be either 1 or 2 is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see fourth question. The flow from A to O. From A there is no flow. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from E to H. From E we can flow up to P or else B, but there is no flow to reach to H. So this conclusion will be false. So both 1 and 2 are false here. Next, fifth question. The flow from V to Q. So from V we can reach to I, N and E. From E we can able to reach to Q. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. The flow from R to W with everywhere equals to. From R we can reach up to E with everywhere equals to. From E we can reach to W with everywhere equal to also. So this is also true. Both 1 and 2 is true here. Now we are going to deal with the syllogisms. First question. Only a few orange is lychee. All lychee is grapes. No lychee is guava. No lychee is guava. Let's see conclusions. Some grapes is not. Here we see not. So what we check is all grapes can be guava or not. All grapes can be placed inside guava. It is not possible because of L sharing with grapes. So all case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. Next, here we again see not. So what we check is all orange can be guava. All orange can be placed inside guava. It is not possible because of sharing with L. So all case fails. All case fails means some not case will be true. So both 1 and 2 are true here. Next, let's see second question. Here Second question. Only a few camel is donkey. No camel is kangaroo. Only a few kangaroo is a horse. Let's see conclusions. All donkey can never. Here we see never. So we check all donkey can be kangaroo or not. All donkey can be placed inside kangaroo. It is not possible because of sharing with some part with the C. So all case not possible means all never case will be true. Next one. Some horse is a camel. Some part of a horse is sharing with the camel. No, it is not a sharing according to basic diagram. So this conclusion will be false. Next, we are going to see question number 3. All potato is tomato. All tomato is peas. Only a few tomato is spinach. Let's see conclusions. Some spinach being peas is a possibility. Here spinach is already sharing with peas, this part. So and it is saying that a possibility. So the first conclusion will be false. Next, no potato is a spinach. Potato here doesn't share with the spinach according to our basic diagram. Here question given about no. So what we check is some potato can be spinach or not. Some part of a potato can share with the spinach. It is possible. So some case possible means no case will be fails. So what we have is both 1 and 2 are not follows. Next, going to see question number 4. Only a few fan is cooler. Next one, no cooler is AC. All AC is ducting. Okay. The question asked is some ducting, definitely not. Here we see not. So what we check is all ducting can be cooler or not. So all ducting can be placed inside cooler. It is not possible because of sharing with the AC. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, some AC is fan. Some part of AC is sharing with the fan. It is not like that in our basic Venn diagram. So this conclusion will be false. Next, fifth one. In fifth one, here we see only a few Lays is Oreo. Next one, only a few Oreo is Kurkure. Only Kurkure is Snacklet. So Snacklet is inside Kurkure and doesn't share with anything except Kurkure. So the conclusions asked are all Oreo being Kurkure is a possibility. All Oreo can place inside Kurkure. It is not possible because some part of Oreo doesn't share with Kurkure. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, here we see not. So what we check is all Kurkure can be Oreo. All Kurkure can place inside Oreo. It is not possible because here Snacklet is sharing only with K. So all K can be placed inside is not possible. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Now we reach to coding and decoding. Let's see what are the codes that we need to find. Viper, there is no other Viper common in other statements. So it is only single one. Gecko is common in 1 and 4. So gecko, the common code for this one will be it is E and E. E is common, which is gecko. Next one, cobra is common in 1 and 2. So the common is BB. So BB is the code for cobra. So like this we are going to find the remaining also. Python is common in 1 and 3. So KK is Python. K is Python. Next one, we left with DD. DD is nothing but Viper. Next, now we need to go to this statement. Mamba is now common in third and fourth. So it is also not defined. Iguana. Iguana is also not in third and fourth. Let's see last one. Crocodile. Crocodile is common in one and second and five. Second and fourth. So common code is double A. So double A is nothing but crocodile. So this is how we write the codes. So what are the codes we got is here. These are the codes we got. Okay. Let's see the questions that are asked. So the first question is the code for EE. The code for EE is gecko. Option A is the answer for this question. Next, second one. What is the code for Viper Anaconda? Viper is DD. So we need to check these two. Next one is Anaconda. Anaconda is the code for YY. So answer will be option D. DDYY. Option D is our answer. Third question. What may be the code for alligator? In our question, we got a dragon or alligator is ZZ or CC. So either A or B. Option D is our answer. Okay. Next, fourth question. Given that mamba lizard is XX and JJ. So JJ is nothing but mamba. So according to the codes we have, PP will be iguana. Now the question asked is iguana, anaconda. Iguana will be PP. So PP and anaconda. Anaconda code is YY. PPYY. Option D is our answer. Now we're going to see fifth question. Fifth question, the code for BB, KK and AA. BB is cobra. KK. KK, we see python. Next, AA, which will be code for crocodile. So, crocodile, python, cobra is the answer. Crocodile, python, cobra. Option E is our answer. Now, we are going to deal with the directions. A person starts from point U, and in south direction, and after 8 meters he reached at point Y. 8 meters he reached Y. From Y he turns to his right. To his right means it is downward, so it will be left side. Walking for 20 meters. 20 meters and reached T. This is T. Next one, from T he walks in north direction, and after walking 16 meters, he stops at point Z. Next one, now he turns to his right and walks 40 meters. This is 40 meters and stops at a final point W. Okay. So this is the directions we got. So the first question why we deal here is 4 of the 5 are alike. Find the odd one out. So T and U. T and U is T and U. This is north east direction. Z and Y is southeast direction. Next, Y and W. Y and W is northeast. T and W. T and W is also northeast. Final one, U and W. U and W is also northeast. The only one which we see Z and Y is southeast. So B is odd one out. Next, second question. What is the direction of U with respect to Z? From Z, U is southeast. So answer will be D. Option D is our answer. Now we are going to deal with question number 3. What is the shortest distance between W and U? So according to the diagram, we have here the gap is 8. This is U and this is U and this is W. So here this part is 20. So what we need to find is the distance between U and W. So here we have 8 square which is 64 and 20 square which will be 400. So totally 464 under root. So if we have this option 4 goes inside root, what will be? It is 29 into 16. 16 9 times which will be 144. So 16 2 times 32 and 14 which will be 46. So this is our answer. Option A is the answer for this question. Now we are going to deal with the blood relations. First statement says that L is the father-in-law of A. Okay, N is the sister-in-law of G. N is sister-in-law of G. Next one, Q is the son of N. Q is the son of N. Next one, R is niece of O. R is niece of O. Next one, O, who is the brother-in-law of A. O is the brother-in-law of A. So, O is the brother-in-law of A means this is O. Next one, H is the son-in-law of G. Son-in-law of G is H means G has a daughter and daughter's husband is H. Next one, G is not married to O. So G married someone, not O. L has one son and one daughter. L has one son. So this must be the daughter. So it must be the male. R and A are different genders. Okay. Here R is a female and we got A male. It is clear. Now we need to say O does not marry to G means might he married with N. So let's take N here minus the son of N is Q. So Q is the son of N and O. Next one, what we left is G. G is N is sister-in-law of G. It is also satisfying in this case. And it says that G has a daughter and a daughter married with H. Here we have A married to someone. A married to G and daughter is R. So this is a place for R. So this is the solution we got for our blood relations. So let's see the first question. How R is related to L? R is a granddaughter of L. So answer is D. Next, second question. 4 of the 5 are alike. N and H, opposite genders. G and L, opposite genders. L and R, opposite genders. N and A also opposite genders. Q and H, both are same genders. So answer for this question will be option E. By this we have completed today's daily score boosters of reasoning. Please do like the session and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.